Hey everybody, you are on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to fix Samsung TV function not available. Let's go. Open Smart Hub. Settings. All settings. Broadcasting. This function isn't available. How to fix? Press mute 119 OK. Hospitality mode. Turn off. Turn off your TV. Turn on your TV. Settings. All settings. It's all working. That's it. Now you know how to fix Samsung TV function not available. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.